Wouldn't it be nice to have it all? Well, you can. Your very own piece of paradise, just a short drive from the heart of the Gold Coast. This magnificent home, situated in the beautiful Mount Nathan Forest estate, features 4 bedrooms with ensuite and walk-in wardrobe off the master bedroom, open-planned kitchen and family room with casual eating area, separate formal lounge, a study, double-car garage and much more. Outside, you'll find an Inground pool with Bali hut, an undercover spa, outdoor bar area and large covered entertainment area with timbered walkways throughout the beautiful gardens. Before you face the hum and drum of the city, wake up to the sound of serenity.